Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real, practical product reviews that matter. Today we're diving into the best nose hair trimmer for men that's also waterproof, the XOOMRSCP Nose Hair Trimmer 2025 edition. First off, let's talk about design. Straight out of the box, it's sleek, lightweight, and compact, weighing just about 100 grams. It's built to be travel-friendly, but what really sets it apart is its versatility and performance. This isn't just for nose hair, it handles ears, eyebrows, facial hair, even light beard detailing. Whether you're prepping for a business meeting or heading out on a date, this one-button trimmer gets the job done fast and clean. Inside, you've got a 360 degrees dual-edge blade system. This inner rotating blade mechanism ensures a painless trim. No pulling, no tears, no sudden jolts. Just clean, smooth trimming, thanks to its powerful 10,000 RPM motor. That's professional-grade precision packed in a device smaller than your smartphone. Now here's where it gets really convenient, it's USB rechargeable. No batteries, no extra trips to the store. Just plug it in with the included USB cable. A full 2-hour charge gives you months of usage, roughly 2 minutes per session over 2 to 3 months. That's insane efficiency, and it's whisper quiet too, under 50 decibels. Perfect for early mornings or late nights when you don't want to wake anyone. Cleaning is a breeze. The trimmer head is IPX7 waterproof, so you can wash it directly under running water. It even includes a small cleaning brush and a dust-proof cover. Maintenance literally takes seconds. Using it is straightforward. Fully charge it, turn it on, and gently insert the cone-shaped tip into your nose or ear. Let it run for 60 seconds, it's safe, ergonomic, and effective. You'll feel the difference instantly. And that confident, groomed look? You'll be glad you took those 60 seconds. So if you're looking for a modern, rechargeable, low-maintenance trimmer that handles multiple grooming needs, the XOOMRSCP Nose Hair Trimmer is one you won't regret picking up. This is the 2025 upgrade you didn't know you needed. A real game changer in your grooming routine. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and tell us in the comments what grooming tool you want us to test next. Until then, stay sharp, stay fresh. This is Product Critique, signing off.